The cause of any disease is that our stomach doesn't produce enough acid. If there is less acid in the stomach, then how does the acid reflux in the mouth come up? The reason is that when you eat food, your stomach gets the signal to get ready for digestion, to produce the enzymes and to produce the acid. Your stomach and food pipe are divided by a gate. This gate is known as the cardiac sphincter because it has direct relationship with the heart. This cardiac sphincter is a muscle. Once it gets the signal that the food is coming, it becomes tight. Once it gets tight, it becomes narrow. When it becomes narrow, there is a gap and the food comes down into the stomach. Due to less acid in the stomach, the food doesn't get digested. And instead of going down, the food comes up. Because there is gas in the stomach and the gap is also open, not closed. As soon as the food enters your stomach, the gates should be closed. And this gate is not closing and has become tight. When does the muscle get tight? During the time of stress. So, the first thing is you don't have to stress. Secondly, do not damage your stomach acid permanently by taking antacids. And third, take magnesium. The work of magnesium is to relax the muscles. The fourth reason of acidity would be you lie down soon after eating. When you lie, your stomach becomes like this and food like this. Here, the gate here keeps on creating pressure on it and this gate starts to deteriorate. For this, I have one more tip. Do not eat 2 hours before sleeping. Now, guys, I'll talk about what are the things that kill your stomach acid. Firstly, stress. Secondly, antacid. Thirdly, lying down after meals. Fourthly, eating very frequently. Drink water, guys. Pepsin releases only in acidic environment. If you do not fix the acid of your stomach, then your undigested protein will rush to your intestines. Intestines will have to release extra bacteria to digest the food. Now, scientists are also discovering there is something called gut-brain axis. Where there are no good bacteria in here, those kids have more behavioral issues. This is your gut. Let me draw it here. It has one protective layer of good bacteria. But antibiotics and the medicines you take for headache and fever, those are killing this layer. These are your good bacteria. In actual fact, there are two types of bacterial colonies, Lactobacillus acidophilus and Bifidobacterium. From these two colonies, further colonies are created. Some say they're having eye allergy. You've lost that colony. Some say they're having UTI infection. You've lost those colonies that were created from these two mother colonies. Smelly vaginal discharge, toe or foot infection, bowel issues, yeast infections, candida. All these filth grows in your body only when these two mother colonies are compromised. I add fermented food in every meal I eat. Exactly, I've explained as how to eat fermented vegetables. In fact, mothers with C-section deliveries while introducing food to their 8-9 months old baby, I suggest them to make a pudding of fermented lentils. Serve your kid with curd so that these two colonies develop in your kid. When they turn 1, introduce them with a pre-probiotic powder. My sole purpose is to provide food to these colonies so that they grow better. You have to develop this layer again. How to build up this again? Using aloe vera and slippery M. I've added aloe vera extract and slippery M extract in my leaky gut powder. You'll be asking, Palak, how much time will it take to build this layer again? The day you'll stop eating these foods, those are hitting it here repeatedly. And if you take our powder, this will start to develop again. Your intestinal cells regenerate. When they will get regenerated and have the raw material to create healthy cells, then your food allergies will get cured. In the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 tips. If you are suffering with hemorrhoids or piles, take a cotton pad, roll it and dip it in castor oil. After dipping in castor oil, put it in the freezer. Take it out from the freezer and insert it inside you and sleep at night. Keep it inside you for 5 to 6 hours. You'll experience relief in hemorrhoids. If you are having constipation problem, my biggest tip is when you want to use the loo, don't stop yourself, just go. Else you can take magnesium to fix your constipation, but the clear solution is fix your leaky gut, guys.